Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Pusheen unboxing. I have done one of these ever since the creation of that subscription box. So if you don't know what a Pusheen box is, basically it's a seasonal box that you get that's full of Pusheen items. And I'm already wearing one of the items, so I'm going to start with it here. This is a really pretty kind of floral leafy Pusheen robe. I thought this was really nice. It has like a really nice like satiny feel to it. It's a cute item. This box actually surprised me, I'm not gonna lie. If you've seen any of my previous ones, you know that it's been a little bit hit or miss lately, which is to be expected with any Pusheen box because it's hard to cater to every single person that's subscribed to the box. I feel like this box is actually really nice. So this floral robe is the first item, and now moving on to the second one. I already opened it. This is a tea fuser bottle. It's really pretty. So again, fitting with the theme of the box, it has that really cute leafy Pusheen, and it is actually made of glass, so I'm a little clumsy. I'm a little nervous about opening this, but it comes with like the tea fuser, so you can use this for hot tea or cold tea, which is really, really cool. I do not drink tea at all, but my mom does. Be a really great gift for her, and it's just like a nice sturdy item. Moving on to the next item, this is an incense holder dish. So my mom used to like burn a lot of incense growing up, and so this is probably another item that she would really love. I don't know if I would, just because I wouldn't want to get this dirty with like the ashes of like incense, is that what you call it? But it has a little hole where you could stick the little stick in there, and it's a really pretty dish. Mine's a little bit scuffed on the sides, but I think that'll wash off. Either way, this is absolutely adorable. Moving on to the next item, this is a Pusheen mini wall tapestry, and when they say mini, it's definitely quite small. I can't see myself, I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but if you go on their website or on their Instagram, they usually have photos of kind of like what people use their products as, like a creative little ways to do things. So maybe hanging over like a little desk or something. It's not as small as I thought it would be, but it's definitely mini. I'm not quite sure where I would put this, but like I said before, their Instagram has a lot of like inspirational pics on like how to combine things together to make a really cute setup. So I'm sure that'll pop up there at some point. Every Pusheen box comes with a vinyl toy. So this one is Pusheen in a potted plant surrounded by the beautiful leaves. This is adorable. I love it. It has a different material to like the other pop vinyls. It feels a little bit more plasticky, whereas the other ones, I mean, are also plastic, but it's a different type of plastic. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a different feel to it. Like the leaves are a little bit more translucent. I think it's like a lightweight pop vinyl as opposed to some of their other ones, but again, I definitely love it. I think it fits the theme really nicely. We also have some stationery, and I'm a big fan of their stationery items. So this says, how do I feel? And it's kind of just like a notepad that charts your moods. So you can circle how you're feeling: happy, excited, angry, silly, meh, or lazy, or super lazy, scared, or you can fill in your blank, and then you can write why you feel that way. So I feel like this because blah, 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 blah. So this features the little Pusheen sloth friend. He creeps me out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think he's kind of cute, but he's also kind of creepy. I used to be really creeped out by sloths until I started working a little bit more closely with them, and now they're not as creepy to me, but they're not my favorite. Anyway, that's a really cute notepad. I definitely like it. Any type of stationery items that Pusheen tends to bring into their box, I really love. Just because I feel like you don't have to use it right away. You can just store it, keep it. It'll look good on your desk, and yeah. So we're down to the last two items. This right here is a heating pad. This is a heating pad, so it kind of has those little crystally things in there. There's a lot of instructions in the back. So there's heating instructions and there's cleaning instructions. So remove the insert from film and cover and heat it in the microwave for 90 to 120 seconds. Place this insert back in the cover before use, and then insert can be reheated after 10 minutes of use. Do not overheat the insert. I never use it. Oh, you can also use it as a cooling thing. I never actually use these, but it is pretty cute. Again, has the same print, goes really nicely with the whole theme of like relaxation and like meditation, it feels like, with all this incense and stuff. So I like it. It's cute. I don't know if I'm gonna really use it though. Last thing we have is kind of a serving tray, which is made of like this lightweight wood thing, but it's actually pretty cute. It features Pusheen, and it's a decent size, and I guess this is why the box was so big, because I did notice it's a little bit longer than normal. But I like it. I think this is a cute idea. Why not? I don't know if I would really serve food on this, but it's really cute. it's a nice item. It's one of the biggest items in the box. Alright, so there you have it. That is the Spring 2020 Pusheen box. I am definitely pleasantly surprised. I really like this theme. I think it's a little bit different, a little bit outside the box. Definitely like it more than 2019's box. But yeah, we've made it to the end of this video. Let me know if you're subscribed to Pusheen box. Do you like it? Do you not? Or are you just not into Pusheen? Because I feel ya. Let me know down below.